Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I am going to introduce you to new tool called as Google Notebook LM on our channel. So this video is for all. There is no any prerequisite for this video that you should be having some technical knowledge or you should be knowing some framework and all. Anyone who has lot of data scattered, anyone who is student or any professional can use this tool for their personal development or organization development or career growth. Even if you are book reader, then also you can able to take advantage of this particular tool. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So here on Google you can type Notebook LM, which will suggest you few links. So you have to click on this Google's link, which will take you to the Google Notebook LM. So you have to be logged in with your Gmail account, and it will automatically take you to the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard of Notebook LM looks. So where you can see your previously created notebooks, and if you want to create new, then also you can create new notebook. So right now what I'm going to do, just to showcase, I will click on create new, and here first of all it will prompt you one pop-up where it will ask you to upload your sources. So your source can be any text, any website link that you have, YouTube video tutorial that you have as a link that you can also paste, your Google Drive docs you can paste it over here. All the sources are mentioned over here. So this interface is divided into three sections, as you can see. One is for sources, one is for chat, this one is for studio. Okay, so first is add sources, where you can list down all the sources that you want to add. Right now we have just seen this pop-up, right? It will open up, and here you can add the supporting PDF, the text document that you have, any mp3 file you have, whatever you can put. And here you can add multiple sources. Through this chat interface, if you have any questions on top of those sources, that you can type it over here and ask to this tool. It will refer to the those sources, and from only those sources only it will try to give answer. It is not going to create any new information the way other LLMs are doing, ChatGPT and all. It is not going to do that. It will just specifically refer the sources that we are adding. And on top of that, if you want to create any deep dive conversation, that part we will come to later, it will convert that all information into some few minutes podcast, so that you will get the idea of whole thing, overall idea you will get in that podcast. So it is very natural language, and two people are walking the way, talking to each other, the way you see any YouTube podcast. It is the same. Okay, so now this is the blank books, but I will go to my other books. So here there is one book that I have created, Meditations of Marcus Aurelius. So I was interested in this stoic philosophy, so I was reading this book, Marcus Aurelius Meditation, but sometimes I don't get enough time to read it completely. So I thought of creating this source material. So this PDF I took from internet, I attached it as source. Then over here, as soon as we attach it, you will get the overall summary. So here you can see this text comprises of excerpts from Marcus Aurelius Meditation, a personal journal. So all the content it has referred, and automatically it has created the summary. Okay, here either you can ask some follow-up questions related to this PDF, or you will get set of predefined questions as well. So you can select on this. So I will select how did Marcus Aurelius Stoicism shape his rule. So now since I have asked this question, so it is not going to go on internet and look for the information. It will try to just refer to this PDF, and from that it will generate the information. See, so you can see Marcus Aurelius was Roman emperor, that's correct, and Stoic philosopher. So with each sentence it will give you few annotations. So here you can see from where it has taken from the book. So you can click on it and see what is the source it is referring, right? Then there is third part, creating audio overview. So once you will add this, you will automatically get one generate option which will create audio overview. I have already created, so I will click on load. Now it will convert everything into one podcast where one man and woman talking to each other, referring to the PDF completely in natural language. You won't even notice. So I will attach that particular few seconds of clip in the end, so that you will see how good this particular podcast are. Actually it is completely YouTube level podcast, the like Joe Rogan and all these people do, right? So in similar fashion we have this podcast. And one basic things that I want to tell you is, so I went through the documents, so where it says that whatever sources that we are adding, so Google is not going to train it using our PDF, so we are safe from that. They are not going to train their model using our data. So if you refresh, then automatically all this will disappear. So I would recommend you to click on save to note, so that for later use you can use it. So now if you click on add note, you can add your own notes on this information. Then if you want briefing doc, so it will start generating a brief document for this. Then here you have other options as well, the study guide, FAQ. So based on your need you can explore on those options as well, but the main feature is using this audio podcast only. So that is very I was impressed by this tool, because I wanted to learn about this Marcus Aurelius, but because of my time constraints I was not unable to read it completely. But here you get the entire information in just summarized in 20 minutes, that too in the form of podcasts. So I'm going to add that clip now, so you can hear this information and see what you think of it. So, and also if you want to add multiple sources, let's say if you want to add any YouTube, right? So you can click on this, and you have any YouTube URL, then you can automatically paste it over here, so it will add it as the source. If you want to unlink the sources, you can click on this check box and you can unlink it. So now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to play this audio podcast for you. Before that, if you want to download this particular audio podcast, then you can click on more icon, and from here you can download. So now let's listen to this audio podcast.
All right, so we're diving into Marcus Aurelius and his meditations.
Okay.
You've given us such a fascinating mix here. Excerpts from the book itself, some background on Stoicism.
Yeah.
Even some details about his life. I'm so curious to see what we find.
You too.
To start off, can you just give us a quick overview of what exactly meditations is?
Well, meditations is really interesting because it wasn't actually meant for an audience.
Oh, wow.
These were just Aurelius's own personal reflections, written during his military campaigns.
Okay.
It's almost like we're peeking into this, like, personal journal of his.
Right.
And we get this really raw and unfiltered glimpse into the mind of this philosopher emperor.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder,
Yeah.
did his status as emperor at all influence the kind of wisdom that he was seeking? Was he trying to be a better ruler, or was it something even more personal than that?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
And I think to really understand that.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'm going to make more videos on AI stuff and as well as the coding assistants in future. But till now, if you like this video, enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.